Welcome to Mini Minds TV.
Hi kids, I am Sparrow.
Hello kids, I am Parrot.
Hello, I am Peacock.
I am Crow. I am very clever.
Hi friends, I am Pigeon. I love to fly high. Hello kids, I am Eagle. I fly the highest.
Quack, quack. I nap, climb, dance, swim.
Hi, I am Swan. I swim very gracefully. Hoot hoot. I am Owl. I stay awake at night. Cluck cluck. I am Hen. I give yummy eggs. Hello, friends. I am Flamingo. I stand on one leg.
Honk honk, I am Goose. I walk and swim.
Tap tap. I am Woodpecker. I tap trees.
Hi, kids. I am Penguin. I love cold places.
Goodbye, kids.